Here's the chart of gold. That's the futures continuous contract hourly. One reading is taking this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Continue to climb. Okay, that's looking good. That's looking good, but the wave count coming up here is not ideal as far as I'm concerned. Not ideal. So let's have a look what the cash is doing. The cash is right here with this set of subdivisions. Running up, I'm taking this is similar 1, 2, and I'm showing you the line right here that supported the price action for now. On the hourly, the line is running up with a 50 moving average, and you have the 10 and the 21 also very close to the market. The 1-2 idea is not that. I think once it breaks 3,400 cash right here, then you can forget about this being 1, 2, 3, 4. It might indeed suggest that a correction is underway. Yes. Now the issue is, if we go with this, and that's the cash, sorry, we go with this with an A, B, C, D, E, clearly bullish. That should be okay as a 1, 2, and we are up in a 3. However, what happens if it breaks? What happens? Yeah, it doesn't make it this time. It is very bullish, but it's not ready. So it plunges. What do we do? Well, I think I would stay with my A, B, C, D. And my thinking would be that possibly the E leg is extending. That's what would be my thinking, depending, of course, sorry again, about the price action that is evolving here. I would not expect this. Okay, just to be clear. I think that the trading range that we have seen here over so many months is not a distribution. It's not a topping process. So for now, I'm going to stay with that, and let's see how it's evolving. This is silver futures on the hourly scale, and we have seen it now coming back to retest the previous high, and there is a possibility that in fact we are witnessing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete. You can see the huge gap here because of the change in the contract. That's the continuous contract here. So we are going to look also at the cash and see what we can learn from it. We're obviously at the crossroads here. If it holds around here, it doesn't sort of break back, close the gap, sink to mid-range, then the scope is very, very good for it to continue substantially higher. If we do break like that, then, you know, that opens the gate for this scenario. Yes, what I told you, that will be an A, that will be a B, and it'll go down in a C. Basically, the ABC will relate to the rise that we have seen up to this point. Let's have a look at the cash. And the cash is right here with these less labelings, but pretty clear. Pretty clear structure here that could lead to a sharp fall. Now the question is, looking at all the related markets that have some sort of, if you like, some sort of movement that resembles or supports, or that they run with, whatever you want to say, with the precious metals, what do they say? What do they say in those markets? You know already, the Forex market, that's where we can get quite a few insights. No guarantee what I'm going to tell you is correct, but it seems to me that the currency market is telling us that silver is not about to dive sharply. I would be surprised, to be honest. I would be surprised, very surprised. Some minor correction here, yes, but a big dive like that, not very likely. You have to add to the forces that are now chasing silver the fact that the US government listed on the 25th of August, listed silver as a critical mineral. Added it to the list of critical minerals for the US, and that's the first time ever they've done that, so that means many billions Many billions are chasing now silver to stockpile silver for the US. So that's obviously very, very positive development for silver. So all in all, I don't expect this. I would say if we get some sort of lateral movement here, it's a good sign. If we shoot higher, obviously, we have an answer, very clear answer for Mr. Market.